Welcome to the research paper, where we empower minds with research backed wisdom. Today, we're diving into a fascinating subject that has been the focus of science for years: how meditation transforms your brain. Imagine this: you're sitting comfortably, eyes closed, focused on your breath. The world fades away, and in that stillness, something profound happens inside your mind. This isn't just some feel good experience, it's science at work. Meditation is changing the very structure of your brain, and today we'll explore how. Let's start with one groundbreaking study done at Harvard University in 2011. Researchers, led by Dr. Sarah Lazar, discovered something truly amazing. When people meditate regularly, the gray matter in their brains actually increases. Gray matter is the part of your brain responsible for processing information, memory, and emotions. In this study, participants meditated for just 8 weeks, with sessions lasting 30 minutes each day. The results? MRI scans revealed an increase in gray matter, particularly in areas linked to memory, emotional regulation, and self awareness. Imagine how such changes could impact your daily life: better focus, heightened emotional control, and a clearer sense of self. So, how can you apply this to your life? Start with just 10 minutes of meditation each day. Set aside a quiet moment to sit, breathe, and simply observe your thoughts. Over time, you may notice your ability to concentrate improving and a greater sense of calm in your daily interactions. This isn't magic, it's your brain adapting, just like it did for those participants in the Harvard study. But there's more. A 2014 study led by Dr. Richard Davidson at the University of Wisconsin took things further. Dr. Huff Davidson is known for his work on the brain and emotions. And in this research, he found that meditation can actually rewire your brain to experience more positive emotions. The study focused on a group of long-term meditators and found that their brains showed heightened activity in the left prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain associated with happiness and positive emotions. This was compared to a control group who didn't meditate. The difference was astounding. Meditators showed greater levels of positivity, even during stressful situations. What can you take away from this? You don't need to be a lifelong meditator to experience these benefits. Just a few weeks of consistent practice can help shift your brain to a more positive, resilient state. Try this. Each day, as you meditate, focus on cultivating gratitude. Reflect on one thing you're thankful for, big or small. This practice can lead to a more positive outlook and greater emotional resilience, just as it did for the study participants. Now let's talk about stress. In 2016, researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, studied how meditation impacts stress and its effect on the brain. They found that mindfulness meditation can reduce the size of the amygdala, the part of your brain responsible for fear and stress responses. Participants in this study underwent a mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) program that lasted 8 weeks. Afterward, brain scans showed significant shrinkage in the amygdala, suggesting that regular meditation helps lower stress levels by actually reducing the brain's response to it. So, if stress is something you struggle with, meditation could be your powerful tool. By practicing mindfulness daily, you can help train your brain to respond more calmly to stressful situations. Focus on your breath, on being present, and on letting go of the tension that accumulates throughout the day. The science is clear. Meditation isn't just a mental break. It's a way to reshape your brain, making it more resilient, more focused, and more positive. So, why not take that first step today? All it takes is a few minutes a day to start experiencing the transformative power of meditation. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency and allowing your brain the time and space it needs to change. And that's exactly what we're here to explore at the research paper: empowering minds with research backed wisdom. Keep practicing, keep learning, and let science guide you to a better, more balanced life.